Thank you for your interest in the new Reveal Clear Aligner system. Reveal was designed and developed to support dental professionals who are interested in a more simple and easier system to compete against consumer direct alternatives. In a recent survey of US GPs, a majority of dentists said they wanted to grow their aligner cases and needed to feel confident that their clear aligners would accomplish the results they expected. The Reveal Clear Aligner system was developed to provide dentists with a simple system that has a range of support to assist in growing their practices. This video gives you a brief overview of the product, case selection, introduces our approval portal, and describes how to submit cases. You also see our treatment setup and learn how to communicate with our orthodontic technicians. Lastly, you'll learn about the benefits provided by Henry Schein 1 to assist in marketing Reveal to your existing and new patients. Let's start with the first benefit of the Reveal Aligner system: clarity. Reveal aligners are engineered in a way that provides increased clarity over leading aligners. As you can see, Reveal Clear aligners provide amazing clarity for your patients and predictable results for you, the dentist. And Reveal ensures that the appearance of the aligners stays consistent throughout the course of treatment. As a result, Reveal aligners are guaranteed not to yellow or discolor throughout the course of treatment, as you can see in this side-by-side comparison. The Reveal team understands the importance of chair time to your practice and the aggravations associated with attachments. As a result, we developed an advanced aligner manufacturing process that eliminates the need for attachment for cases that do not require bite adjustments. That means you can utilize Reveal aligners for the range of cases that make the most sense for your practice. Reveal aligners create a truly intimate fit to the tooth anatomy, resulting in better control with no unsightly attachments. And by eliminating the need for attachments in cases that do not require bite adjustments, you save chair time and improve aesthetics for your patients. So, why can we eliminate attachments? The trim is scalloped to fit securely at the gingival margin to hug the tooth. This provides more contact with the tooth to create retention. More tooth contact means more retention. More retention eliminates the need for attachments. And the trim line is comfortable for the patient while providing the optimal service area for controlled results. Older generation aligner products require attachments for 3 reasons: retention, accomplishing certain types of tips and torques, and extruding a tooth. Reveal's manufacturing process overcomes the issues faced by older generation aligners. The stiffness of the clearware material provides a fit that allows for retention. Plus, the precision fit provides the maximum contact with the tooth to allow for tipping and torquing. Finally, you need to extrude a tooth. We recommend EBT to bond attachments only if and when you choose to use them. It's easy to see that Reveal is the clear choice. Reveal aligners come in 3 package sizes. Standard typically treats cases that have a combination of crowding, spacing, or overbite and overjet situations in less than 30 aligner sets and includes refinements for up to 5 years from the initial ship date of the case. Light is for mild cases with less than 20 sets and includes 1 refinement. And Express is for very mild anterior only or mild single arch treatment and also includes 1 refinement. The Reveal Clear Aligner mission is to provide your practice with a simple and clear approach to treating the kinds of patients that make the most sense for your practice. The Reveal Clear Aligner wants to simplify case identification for you. The primary guide for identifying a case is associated with occlusal adjustment. Moving bodily or translation of a tooth is difficult with any aligner system. Reveal aligners are good for cases that require tooth tipping, intruding, rotation, torquing, or extruding with no attachments. That means crowding, spacing, deep and open bite where bite or occlusion adjustment is not required. Here are a few cases to show you as examples of ideal candidates to be treated with the Reveal aligners. This case presented has a narrow upper arch and lower crowding. You can see the starting position of the teeth on the left, and then in 12 months with 21 upper and 24 lower aligners, you can see the result on the right of the patient that completed treatment. This case presented is also a narrow upper arch and both upper and lower crowding. You can see on the left the starting position of the teeth, and then in 13 months, with 26 upper and lower aligners, the results on the right of the patient's completed treatments. These movements were accomplished without attachments, IPR, or revisions. This case is an overjet with crowding. You can see on the left the starting position of the teeth, and in 7 months, the change with just 14 upper and lower aligners. This movement was accomplished without attachments or revisions, but did require some IPR. IPR expectations are no different than other aligner systems. The Reveal aligner system is simple and easy as it relates to the case submission process. Let our technicians develop the optimal treatment plan so you can spend your time treating patients. Our DDX, or Digital Dental Exchange, is designed in a way that offers dentists an efficient way to exchange and manage case files with the Reveal Clear Aligner Lab. You can access the portal online, on a PC or Mac, through any standard internet browser, with no software to download or maintain. All your case records are stored indefinitely in the portal, and the Power Search makes it easy to locate historical cases. To submit a Reveal aligner case, you only need to provide relevant information necessary for the Reveal Lab technicians to create your aligners, avoiding a lengthy multi-step process. You only need to enter the patient's information, treatment goals, and records in one simple prescription screen. The software is designed to default to the optimized setting so you allow the Reveal technicians to optimize the case for you. You can focus on your patient. This is not a complex treatment setup process that will make you define every movement. Leave that to Reveal. We have designed the case submission software with default settings that simplify the submission process and let us optimize the case for you. Taking good patient records is very important. Both intraoral and extraoral photographs of the patient are required. All pictures should be recent and clearly represent the details of the patient dentition and profile. Individual pictures can be uploaded, or a collage template may be used to combine all the pictures in a single file. Impressions can be provided as digital STL files from all modern FDA-approved intraoral scanners, or by sending high-quality, full-arch molded impressions. If you will be submitting physical impressions, it is very important to provide high-quality upper and lower impressions as well as bite registration. Box your impressions carefully and label them clearly so they do not become damaged or lost in transit. The DDX system will produce a UPS label for shipping to the Reveal laboratory at no charge to you. The type of impression tray should also be considered. Any type of plastic full-arch tray can be used as long as it accommodates the entire patient's dentition and a paradental tissue detail. All morphological details should be within the confines of the tray. Any part of the dentition hanging out of the tray confines will be removed and will not be present in the aligner. Stone models, metal, or mesh trays are not accepted. The Reveal portal accepts STL digital impressions from all leading intraoral scanners that are FDA approved. Simply export the STL files of the scan to a folder on your computer from the scanner software, then upload to DDX. Currently, the DDX portal or Reveal Aligner Lab is not directly connected to any scanner system. If you have questions on how to export, contact your Reveal sales specialist at Henry Schein or call 888-313-3511. IPR, or interproximal reduction, is the practice of mechanically removing enamel from between the teeth. In some cases, IPR may be suggested, but this is not a prescribed treatment requirement. You may reject any IPR recommendations by rejecting it on any or all teeth during case submission or once they have received the treatment setup. Just click on Modify and state their rejection in the technician notes. EBT, or elastic button technique, may be suggested, but this is not a prescribed treatment requirement. Dentists may reject EBT recommendations on any or all teeth during the case submission or once they have received the treatment setup by clicking on Modify and stating their rejection in the technician notes. EBT direction is provided on a card in their patient's aligner box. Once the details are submitted, the Reveal Lab will provide you a treatment plan within 5 days. The primary person in the practice will receive an email that the treatment plan is available for review. Once you receive the treatment plan, you will have the ability to review it and make changes or immediately approve it. If you are interested in revisions, you simply email the requested changes and submit it. Before accepting or modifying the treatment setup, dentists will be able to see the end result to be accomplished by the treatment plan, the estimated number of aligners for each arch, and recommendations for IPR. If IPR has been recommended, the dentist can review the IPR recommendation and during which aligner set the IPR should be planned. To make modifications, simply send notes to the lab technicians and they will make corrections within 2 business days. Once you approve the treatment setup, we will ship the aligners from our facility in approximately 10 to 15 days. Once the treatment plan has been approved, Reveal guarantees your case will be delivered within 15 days of approval. All Reveal Clear aligners will be shipped to you in total, and you can then determine how you distribute them to the patient. Up to 20 sets of aligners, 1 set of retainers, a retainer case, and patient instructions for use will be included in each aligner box. Near the time of the shipment, the Reveal Aligner Lab will provide a material movement record. It will be uploaded as a PDF to the DDX portal and sent as a hard copy with the aligner package. This record form will allow you to monitor patients' movements to ensure they're tracking appropriately through the treatment steps. We will also supply any IPR directions as a supplemental form. If your patient needs refinement at the end of treatment, the Reveal Aligner Lab will provide the recommended number of aligners at no extra charge to get the patient to the originally approved treatment setup. With the standard treatment package, we will provide refinements for up to 5 years from the initial shipment date of the case. For light treatment and express treatment packages, we will include 1 refinement at no charge. If you need to change the original approved treatment setup, there will be an individual aligner fee. Now, let's show you a demo of this process.
Welcome to the DDX Dental dashboard, where you can find all of your alerts, cases to review, active cases, draft cases, as well as your news updates and special offers. On the right, you can see any coupons available to you at this time. We can start by accessing Reveal Clear Aligner Lab by clicking Go to My Partner and selecting Reveal Aligner Lab. You have buttons on the left to help you start a new case. Review your open cases by month and review all of your open cases. On the right side, support resources are available to you in the Document Center and the Educational Video Center. Here is where you can find things to help you get started, like the Quick Start Guide. There are also educational videos and walkthroughs. To start a new case, you select New Case on the left side. Enter your patient's information. First name, last name, gender, and date of birth. Next, you select the procedure. For new patients, you will always select Reveal Clear Aligners procedure. You can later come back to order lost or broken aligners or retainers, as well as adjustments, by selecting the corresponding procedure. Once the procedure is selected and loaded, the patient's primary concern goes in first. The rest of the steps can be left as Lab Recommended and Optimize. Optimize means that the lab will look at your scans or impressions and make the best treatment plan possible. If there are any directions you would like to give the lab, you can do so by changing any of the options. If you look here on the right-hand side, we have IPR that defaults to Lab to Recommend. If you want to make changes to that, you can select No IPR, or the option that works best for you. For now, we will leave it as Lab to Recommend. Something you do have to do is enter the impression type. Here, you'll need to specify whether you are uploading digital impressions or PVS impressions. If there are specific teeth you don't want to move, you can indicate that here by selecting this tooth, which brings up a tooth chart. Select the tooth that you don't want to move. You are also able to specify teeth you do not want to perform elastic band technique on, teeth you'd like to move as a group, teeth that you don't want to perform IPR on, or teeth you anticipate extracting prior to treatment. You can specify all of that here on this tooth chart. Next, in the section below is where you'll upload your case files. Select Upload, and then select Files to add. Then select and attach your patient's photos. At this point, if you have scans, you can upload those as well. This requires a scan of both upper and lower arch and a bite registration. Do not close out until all of your uploads have reached 100%. Once they have reached 100%, you can exit out of this window. You will find all of your photos are attached to the case, and at the bottom of this screen, you can add any notes you want to share with the lab or any specific instructions that you have for your treatment. You can enter a coupon code if you have one, or click the double window icon next to the coupon code entry field to see any eligible promotions assigned to your account. You then want to accept the terms, and if you're ready to submit your case, click Submit Case. Otherwise, to save your case as a draft and come back to it, click Save Draft. You can see we save as a draft. I want to point out, if you save as a draft, your files will no longer be visible in Case Files. However, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see your files are attached to the case, and you don't have to upload them again. When you're ready to move forward, you can go ahead and click Submit Case, and it will show that your case has been submitted to the lab. In this case, because we specified that we would be submitting PVS impressions to the lab, we're going to go ahead and click UPS Ship. You can leave all this information the same and click Create Shipment and print the shipping details. You'll need to print two forms. The first is your work order form, and the second is your UPS shipping label. Provide the work form inside of your package as your packing slip, and affix the shipping label to the package to send it off to the lab. Return back to the case by clicking Back to Case. When you receive a notification that your case is ready to review, sign back into your DDXDental.com account. You'll see a pending proposal to review in your Alerts tab on the dashboard. You can enter the review by clicking your patient's name where you'll have a proposal ready to review. Scroll down to the tooth model and select it. The 3D treatment viewer will load, giving you visibility to the treatment setup in a 3D model. You can instantly see before and afters represented in the treatment model, as well as seeing these before and afters from the front, right, left, back, lower, or upper views. Each of these views can be manipulated by a right-click, hold, and drag to your desired view. You can also see the collision points by clicking Collision. This shows you where the teeth are coming into contact in red. Toggle on and off by clicking the icon. You can toggle superposition as well, which shows you in blue where the tooth started, and the natural tooth color is where the tooth ended. If you select 3D IPR, you can see where the IPR is recommended. At this point, if you're satisfied with your treatment recommendation, you can go ahead and click Accept in the bottom right-hand corner. The lab will get a notification to start manufacturing your aligner case, and you will receive it in 15 business days or less. If there are any changes to your case, you can click Modify. You can then type in your modification, save it by clicking Save Note, and Submit Modification. That modification will go to the lab where they will review it and send back a new treatment plan within 2 business days.
The Reveal Clear Aligner team understands it is a competitive market for clear aligners. Competitors selling products directly to the consumer are impacting your business, and it is our objective to provide you an end to end solution that includes marketing support. Reveal has partnered with Henry Schein One to provide you with a suite of services that allows you to utilize Reveal to drive new revenue growth in your practice. Today's consumer is different, and that makes today's patient different. A recent study has shown that 82% of patients choose their provider based on online search and information. Combine that with the fact that 1 in 3 patients leave their dentist annually, and that means an active marketing program is an essential part of integrating aligners into your practice. Over 2 million Americans search for clear aligners monthly in the US. This means your patients are searching for aligner options that may or may not include you, depending on your marketing activities. The Reveal Clear Aligner comprehensive program combines the product with key marketing services to help you compete with consumer direct aligner options. Supported by Henry Schein One technology and services, we help you communicate with existing patients as well as develop programs to drive new patients to your practice. Thank you for viewing this presentation on Reveal Clear Aligner. Our goal is to provide you with innovative and unique solutions for your practice and patients. If you have any additional questions, you can call us at 888 313 3511.